Good morning student. Today we are going to start homogeneous differential equation. So what is homogeneous differential equation? If all terms have same degree, then that equation is called homogeneous differential equation. So there is one example. You can observe that this term have degree 4. 3 plus 1, 4. This term 1 plus 3 is 4. And this 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Means this is homogeneous differential equation of degree 4. Now next example, xy dy upon dx plus y square plus 2x is equal to 0. You can observe that there is degree 2, 1 plus 1, 2. There is 2, but there is degree 1. So all the terms have not same degree. So this is not an example of homogeneous differential equation. Now next there is one note. So what is that note? To solve the homogeneous differential equation, we use the substitution y is equal to px. If example is homogeneous differential equation, then to solve that example, we use substitution y is equal to vx or u is equal to vy. Now let us start to solve homogeneous differential equation. So our next exercise is exercise 6.4 and our first question is solve the following differential equation. Now you can observe that the degree of this equation is same. Okay. So let us start to solve. First write given. So what is given? X sin y upon x dy, which is equal to y sin y upon x minus x dx. Okay, this is your given equation. Now next step, dy upon dx. So I am taking dy upon dx, which is equal to y sin y upon x minus x upon this term goes to this side. So it is x sin y upon x. Now give it equation first. To solve this type of equation, we take a substitution. What is that substitution? Put y is equal to vx. Now differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate, we get. Now differentiation of this is dy by dx, and differentiation of this is the product. So I am use here product rule, and here dv upon dx. So substitute this value in this equation first. So equation first become and also this implies that y upon x is equal to v. Give it equation second and give it equation third. Okay. So equation first become the value of dy upon dx is v plus x dv upon dx. So I am writing here v plus x dv upon dx, which is equal to, now value of y. So value of y is vx. So write here vx into sine, now y upon x. So y upon x is v. So I am writing here v directly, minus x upon x sine v. You can write here also vx, then by x cancel you get v, but there is simple y upon x equal to v. So I am use here directly v. Now you can take x common from numerator, and this LHS side is as it is. So take x common, remaining terms are v sin v minus 1 upon x sin v Now this x and this x get cancelled. So remaining terms are v plus x dv upon dx, which is equal to v sin v minus v upon sin v. Okay. Now this v take RHS side, so it is x dv upon dx, which is equal to v sin v minus 1 upon sin v minus v. Now cross multiply this term, so we get v sin v minus 1 minus v sin v upon sin v, and this term is as it is. Now this v sin v and this minus sin v cancel, so we get only minus 1 sin v. Okay. Now separate the variables. So we get variable separable form. So what is that form? X, so here is term of sin v, so therefore sin v dv, which is equal to minus 1 upon x dx. Now integrating, taking integration on both sides, so we get take integration. So the next step is this integration of sin v minus taking outside of integration. Now take integration. So integration of sin v is minus cos v, which is equal to minus log x plus log c. So therefore minus cos v plus log x, or you can take here simple c, there is no need to take log c, and here remaining c only. So therefore log x minus cos v, which is equal to c. But the value of v is, what is the value of v? Y upon x. So put here log x minus cos y upon x, which is equal to c. So this is our general solution. This is general solution. So hence we done here. It is very simple example. You can observe that by put substitution y is equal to vx, we solve this example. Now next example, y square dx plus xy plus x square dy, which is equal to 0. Okay. So let us start to solve. First write what is given. You can observe that degree of each equation is same. So given y square dx plus xy plus x square dy, which is equal to 0. Now take dx term on RHS side. So we get xy plus x square dy, which is equal to minus y square dx. Okay. Now dy, so this term dy upon dx, which is equal to minus y square upon xy plus x square. Now to solve this type of example, we take a substitution. So put y is equal to vs. This is very important step. Now differentiate with respect to x. So we get y dy upon dx, which is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So from this v is equal to y upon x. This is equation first, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. So equation first becomes here in equation first dy upon dx is v plus x dv upon dx. So I am writing here v plus x dv upon dx, which is equal to the value of y. What is the value of y? Vx. So it is minus vx square upon x vx plus x square. So minus v square x square upon x square v plus x square, and this term is as it is. Take x square common, so it is v plus 1. This x square get cancelled. So next step is v plus x dv upon dx, which is equal to minus v square upon v plus 1. Now take this v on RHS side, so we get x dv upon dx, which is equal to minus v square v plus 1 minus v. Now cross multiply the term, so we get x dv upon dx, which is equal to minus v square, and this is minus v upon v plus 1. So it is minus 2v square minus v upon v plus 1. Now next step, so x dv upon dx, which is equal to, take minus sign common, so it is 2v square plus v upon v plus 1. Now separate the variables. We get, so it is v plus 1 upon 2v square plus v into dv, which is equal to minus dx upon x. So integrating, both the sides, we get, so integration is v plus 1 upon 2v square plus v dv, which is equal to minus 1 upon x dx. Okay, now here take v common, so v plus 1 upon v 2v plus 1 dv, which is equal to minus integration of 1 upon x dx. Now I am taking here one adjustment, so therefore it is 2v plus v, so here 2v plus 1 minus v. This is one adjustment and this is as it is. Here I am taking one adjustment, so note that. Now next step, separate denominator, so it is 2v plus 1 upon 2v plus 1 minus v 2v plus 1, which is equal to dv minus integration of 1 upon x dx. And here is v missing, so integration of 1 upon v minus, here remaining terms are 1 upon 2v plus 1, which is equal to dv minus integration of 1 upon x dx. Now separate the terms of integration, so it is integration of 1 upon v dv minus integration of 1 upon 2v plus 1 dv, which is equal to minus integration of 1 upon x dx. Okay, So therefore integration of 1 upon v is log v minus log 2v plus 1, but 2 is multiply to v, so that's why it is divided by 2, which is equal to minus log x, and constant of integration is log c. So this 2 multiplying 2 on both sides, we get so after multiplication it is 2 log v, this 2 and this 2 cancel, so log 2v plus 1, here is minus 2 log x plus 2 log c. Now by jumping law, so what is jumping law? A log b is equal to log b raised to a. Using this law, we use here log v square minus log 2v plus 1. This is as it is. It is minus log x square plus log c square. Okay. Therefore, log v square minus log 2v plus 1, which is equal to log c square minus log x square. Okay, I am interchanging these terms only. Now we know that log m minus log n is equal to log m upon n. So using this formula, log v square upon 2v plus 1, which is equal to log c square upon x square. So next step is v square upon 2v plus 1, which is equal to c square upon x square. Now from equation 2, value of v is y upon x. So this is our next step. By using equation 2, y upon x, value of v is y upon x. Now next, y square upon x square upon 2yx plus 1, which is equal to c square upon x square. Now next step is, this x is multiplied here, so therefore y square upon x square upon 2y plus x upon x, which is equal to c square upon x square. Now this one term and this x term get cancelled, so here remaining y square upon x upon 2y plus x, which is equal to c square upon x square. So I am writing here this term like that, y square upon x 2y plus x, which is equal to c square upon x square. Now this x cancel, so here remaining terms are y square 2y plus x, which is equal to c square upon x. Now cross multiply, so xy square, which is equal to c square 2y plus x. So this is our general solution. This is so it is very lengthy example, but it is easy to solve. You can observe that same way we put substitution y is equal to vx, then put the value of this substitution, then separate the variable, integrating both sides, but there is one adjustment we have to show here, denominator in numerator. So there is one adjustment, you can observe that this adjustment, and then by calculation we find our general solution. Now next example, x square dy by dx is equal to x square plus xy plus y square. You can observe that the degree of each term is 2, so it is homogeneous differential equation. Now let us start to solve. First write what is given. take this x square term, x square dy by dx, which is equal to x square plus xy. Give it equation first. Now put y is equal to vx. This is homogeneous differential equation, and to solve this type of equation we take a substitution. Y is equal to vx. So differentiate with respect to x, we get dy upon dx, which is equal to v plus x dv upon dx. So this implies that v is equal to y upon x. This is equation 2. Okay, and this is equation 3. So equation first become p plus x dv upon dx, which is equal to x square plus x vx plus vx square upon x square. Now take x square common. So our next step is one plus v square Now take this v on RHS side. This minus plus v cancel. Now separate the variables. Taking integration on both sides. And we know that integration of 1 upon 1 plus v square is tan inverse v, which is equal to log x and which is equal to plus c. So value of v is tan inverse y upon x, which is equal to log x plus c. It is from equation 2. You can observe that value of v is y upon x. So this is our general solution. You can observe that here also we take substitution, and by simple calculation we get our general solution. Now next example, 1 plus e raised to x upon y dx plus e raised to x upon y into 1 minus x upon y dy, which is equal to 0. You can observe that this is also homogeneous differential equation of degree 1. So let us start. First, given Okay. Now here you can observe that this is the term in x upon y. So here you have to take dx upon dy. So therefore this term is as it is, and this term on goes to RHS side. So it is minus e raised to xy upon 1 minus x upon y dy. Now take this dy. So therefore dx upon dy, which is equal to minus e raised to x upon y, 1 minus x upon y, and this is 1 plus e raised to x upon y. Give it equation first. Sorry, here it is dy. Now here we have to take substitution, but substitution is different in this case. So what is that substitution? Put x is equal to u y. Okay, I am taking this type of substitution. So differentiate with respect to y, we get, because it is with respect to y, so differentiation dx upon dy, which is equal to u plus y du upon dy. Okay, and it is u is equal to x upon y. Equation second, this is equation third, and equation first becomes so value of dx upon dy is u plus y du upon dy, which is equal to minus e raised to u 1 minus u upon 1 plus u, because the value of x upon y is u. Okay, now next step, u plus y du upon dy, so which is equal to minus e raised to u, multiply these terms, and minus u e raised to u upon 1 plus u. Now take this sum, y du upon dy minus e raised to u minus u into e raised to u, then multiply with this. So sorry, there is one mistake. It is 1 plus e raised to x upon y. So here we have to take e raised to u. Here also e raised to 2u. It is e raised to u. So this is u plus u into e raised to u upon 1 plus e raised to u. Okay, and here also one mistake, this minus, so this will become plus. Now this u e raised to u and this minus u e raised to u get cancelled. This term will get cancelled. So remaining terms are y du upon dy, which is equal to minus e raised to u minus u upon 1 plus e raised to u. Now separate the variables. So before that, this minus sign will common, so we get e raised to u plus u. One term is remaining here, so this is e raised to u plus u upon 1 plus e raised to u. This is the term of du, which is equal to minus, common sign minus, dy upon y. Okay, there is one step is skip. Now taking integration on both sides. So it is integration of e raised to u plus u upon 1 plus e raised to u du, which is equal to minus integration of 1 upon y dy. Okay. So I am repeating here this step and giving equation 4. So you can observe that here derivative of u plus e raised to u is equal to 1 plus e raised to u. Okay. And using integration of f dash of u upon f of u du, which is equal to log f of u plus c. So equation 4th become you can observe that this is the derivative of this. This is the derivative of this, means this is f dash of u and this is f of u. So our answer is log f of u, means log of u plus e raised to u. And we know that integration of 1 upon y is log x. So here therefore log u plus e raised to u, which is equal to minus log y plus log c. Log c is the integration constant. Okay. So therefore log u plus e raised to u, this term goes to LHS side, which is equal to log c. Okay. Log m plus log n is log m into n. So u So now from equation 2, put the value of u. The value of u is x upon y. So x upon y plus e raised to x upon y. This y term is as it is, and right here from equation 2. Okay. Now multiply this term y. So it is x plus y e raised to x upon y upon this y, which is y. So this y and this y get cancelled. So remaining terms are x plus y e raised to x upon y, which is equal to c. So this is the general solution. This is so you can observe that this equation here the variable in terms of x upon y. So I am taking here dx upon dy. Next, taking other substitution, x is equal to uy, and by same procedure we find our general solution. So you can observe that this is our general solution. So there are some practice problems from exercise 6.4. First question is solve the following differential equation. So you can observe that these 4 are homogeneous differential equation. So here you have to take substitution y is equal to vx. But in question number 2, this is another question. So here you can observe that this is the terms like that x upon y and here dy upon dx. So here you have to take substitution x is equal to uy and this term will change in the form of dx upon dy. So you get your answer, and remaining 3 example you have to take substitution y is equal to vx. So try to solve this 4 example. If any doubt, any queries, then you can call me. Thank you.